Wednesday, October 31st, 2018. We are looking at the S&P 500 futures, and we are seeing a bit of a pop. We saw yesterday this bullish engulfing candle, and we are seeing follow through as of right now. Really, we are coming into a supply zone. If we go to the lower time frames, this little base here, I do expect some selling pressure to come back in, but with this demand zone down here, we could be looking for another push higher, maybe just up to here, or maybe we need to push all the way back up to this 2870 level. As you see, it's been a pretty strong level. See reaction here, 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 and we were never able to test it from the underside, and that is really where this large sell-off began. So I would imagine that we will be met with a ton of selling pressure there. We need to test that again to kind of confirm that, yeah, okay, we are going to be selling off equities, and this sell-off that we had isn't just another one of these where we chop around a little bit and then just march higher. If a true equity bear market is coming into play here, it would be nice to see a confirmation of a sell-off, where the sell-off actually began, just to give us, like I said, like people are agreeing, like, yeah, okay, there's no value in equities here. We need to start selling them. So I think that's in play. I wanted to see this come back down here to 2600 level. It got pretty close, but this has been a key decision area as of recent. But we have seen a nice pop out of there, no doubt. We're just gonna have to see how far it takes us. So let's move on over to the US dollar. We're seeing a bit of a pop here as well. We're pushing deeper into this supply zone. On the first visit, we didn't get very far. We hit the the edge of it and just sold off. What I was really have been looking for is this thing to roll over to this demand zone to pick up some buyers, but I actually do think this might be better. We're seeing the strong dollar play, and as we push further in here, we're wearing out these sellers, and by the time it rolls over and comes back and finds bids down here, there'll be enough sellers that are worn out from fighting the trend here to where we can push through to new highs and come up to this 98.50 level. Hopefully. That is the play for now, and we can continue to see US dollar strength, especially if equities continue to sell off in the macro picture, and that is because I know we typically think of the dollar or the Japanese yen as the safe haven risk off currency, and that is true in the short term. You do see the Japanese yen acting as a risk sentiment gauge, but bigger picture, during a full-fledged equity bear market, you will see people flooding into the US Treasury bonds, and that will appreciate the dollar because people are going to have to buy dollars to buy these bonds, and the and in turn, you see that reflected as dollar appreciation. I don't think we're to that point yet to where I'm going to call an equity bear market. But if that is the case, this dollar strength can definitely continue, and we could get up to that 98.50 level, the 99, possibly 100, and continue higher. We'll just have to keep watching it and do what the charts tell us to do. For now, I'm looking to run it back, get a pullback, and run it through the highs. I'm not going to go any farther than that for right now. Thank you for watching, and happy Halloween to all my fellow Americans. I don't know if the rest of the world celebrates Halloween, but thank you for watching.